Good afternoon. I guess it's afternoon. Is it still morning? Good morning, everyone. This is JL, the anti-guru, aka Joe the Farmer. Got another garden update for you. So, just wanted to share what I've been doing here on Resurrection Monday. I've been out here working in this field. It was cool, but it's getting hot. But let me turn my camera around so you can see what I've been doing. Come on now. All right. So still got that huge wood chip pile. But like I said in the last update, I think I definitely put too many of these wood chips. So I had to kind of dig them up and drag them down. What I did, I dragged them all the way down here. And I put them over here where the pumpkins is going to be. That connection is terrible, but yeah. So finally got down to the soil, guys. So it's looking pretty good, and I wanted to come over here and show you. I didn't put as thick a layer over here in this field, so you can see the big difference between them. You know, this soil is really dark, and right out there on the end, that's where I started another process of killing the grass. So it's still pretty thick. I'm gonna have to till this stuff up several more times to get down to the soil, but the wood chips and all the organic matter is going to help with the process. But like I said, wanted to share with you what was going on. And here's this purple kale plant. It's got nice little flowers on it. We are definitely going to have to transplant this. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it, I've got some growing bags, so I'm going to take it out of this area. Let me turn my camera around. So I'm going to take it from where it is right now and put it in a growing bag so I can separate it. Ooh, man, that glare is something. But again, everybody, just want to keep you updated on what's going on, because this weather has been really crazy. Winter just seemed like it didn't want to let go. And I had planted some seedlings, and of course they didn't germinate because of, it turned cold on them. So I'm having to really get a late start this year. But that's okay. Still got plenty of seed. So again, just what are we going to be growing this year? Again, we're going to do the watermelons. We're going to have tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, collard greens, potatoes, onions, corn. I'm going to plant a lot of corn because, like I said, last year I found out only 1, maybe 2 ears of corn come on each plant. So we're going to have to plant a whole lot more corn if we want to have some to harvest. And what else is it? And squash. And I'm not sure if I'm going to try to do anything else. I know last year I tried to grow a whole lot of things and learned a lot, and I think this year I'm going to stick with just the staples, like we say, onions, potatoes, tomatoes. Definitely the cherry tomatoes, they did excellent this past season. We're going to do the watermelons, no honeydew melon, no cantaloupe, and squash. And I think that's about it. We may try again this coming fall to do those carrots and beets, but we'll see how things go. All right, I didn't want to stay on here too long. Just wanted to kind of give you an update on what's going on here at Bountiful Harvest with Joe and Keesa. If you haven't done so, go on over to the channel and make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell when we upload new videos. I will be uploading more content now that I have a whole lot more going on. All right, we'll see you in the next video. Later.